Everyone, this is Blal, and in this video, I will tell you I solve a problem for my client. So this website is called Autoscout24. It's basically a classified automobile website. So you can see the car listings are here, and if I go to the new tab, you can see. So my client were needing actually all the photos here. You can see all the phone number and all these details here. So I created a neat uh, script in by using Python, and the text I used was actually Zyte API. Why I used Zyte API was because to unblock the website. Now let's run it in action, and I will show you the results. So if I run this script, you can see that it will automatically detect the pagination for us, and then it will start scrapping for us. So you can see guys, here you can see all the listing columns are here that I scrapped. You can see that the phone number, the seller name, and everything is there. So if you need anything like that or other websites to be scrapped in an amazing way, please make sure to connect with me here on LinkedIn, and thank you for watching.